supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless 'cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, 'cause I know that you did.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be decorating some more tier trays. We are going to be decorating them for Easter. And I also want to mention that this video is part of my tier tray collaborations that I host seasonally. So there will be a playlist filled with even more tier tray ideas. So for this one, I have gathered a whole bunch of decor throughout my house because upstairs is completely taken apart. It's a mess and it is what it is. So I had put them all in bins. I'm gonna pull some stuff out of here and decorate. Now the trays that I am decorating are, I'm gonna do this one. It's a 2-tier tray. I'm going to do my galvanized one, and then I'm going to also do this big one as well. And yeah, so I'm going to get started with the big ones first. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just give it a cleaning. As you know, this is the only time that I get cleaned is in between the decor. And for this one, typically, if you've been following along my tier tray decorate with me videos, this one I typically decorate all the sides because of the area that it's going in. Now I am going to be using it down here in my rec room, and I only need to see 3 sides, so I'm not overly concerned how the back looks. I will be putting stuff at the back, but it doesn't have to be it doesn't have to look pretty from the back side because nobody's gonna see it because it's going in a corner. But a little tip, if you're putting it on a table or something, then you obviously want the whole the circle to be showing, like all the ends area, all the sides to be pretty and showing nicely from each angle you look at it. Just a little tip. And as always, most of my decor that I'm using is either DIY'd over on my DIY channel, thrifted and made over, or a Dollar Tree item. However, this time I am using, I think, several pieces that are from HomeSense as well.
Deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go.
When I was adding the flowers to the little picture, I did not realize that the camera wasn't catching the whole thing. So here they are, just to show you what I have added to it. These came from Dollar Tree.
I just don't know what to do if you go. I've been so selfish and made you believe that you're not good enough, but you're all I need. I take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go. patience. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm known without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go.
I do love how this one turned out. It's very busy, but I am really liking all the neutral tones in it mixed in with pops of color with the eggs. So for my next one, I'm doing the 3-tier tray. However, the top tier, as you can see, it's a little bit small. So not sure what I'm gonna do there, but definitely gonna decorate these two now. This one, the area that I'm going to be putting it in, you're going to be able to see it all around. So I want to make sure that all sides look pretty. And this one, the nice thing about this one, it is fairly tall, so I can add some of my larger pieces here that I wasn't able to add to the other one. So the distance between the two trays is pretty tall. I had actually DIY'd this tray over on my DIY channel. I will have it linked in the description box if you want to check this tray out. So this one's all finished as well, and I'm going to show you all around how it looks from every side. The last one that I'm decorating today is this 2-tier tray. It is much smaller in between the trays, but it has a larger surface to decorate. And the top one, well, you can pretty much put as tall as you want because there's no obstructions there. And it's going to go on a shelf in a corner, so I'd like it to have 3 good sides. This is also one that I DIY'd over on my DIY channel, and I will link that one in the description box as well, so you can check it out if you want to make it yourself. Everything came from dollar store materials and super easy to make. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Make sure you share it with a friend that you think might like it as well. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. And this one's all finished, and I think it looks so cute with the oversized carrots and the oversized greenery, and then the little tiny bunnies on it and a little tiny nest. I think these turned out so cute. I hope that you had enjoyed these Easter tier tray DIYs. It's a very inexpensive way to add a decor into your home for seasons, even if you just that was it, that's all you did for your decorating. I think it would have such an impact in your decor, room decor. Like I said, I hope you had enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to check out the playlist, which will be linked down below, for even more Easter tier tray decorate with me's. And until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.